Hi guys, welcome to the another class. It's all about numbers and the plus operator that we will use strings and the numbers together to concatenate things, okay? So I would like to start directly. We can just say, like let x equals, not x maybe, let a is equals, let's say my age is, then we can just put such a numbers in here, which is, let's say 27 like this. And let's say let b, and let's say the like 3v, let's say 3 room ladder for us. So let's use such terms like this. Let's see. Then we can just say like we can make such a calculation, let's say with the plus operator, like 32 plus 5 like this. It will make it again, so no worry about it, okay? So yeah, we can also make such a things with the multiplication and the division or such a things that we can say let b. We can just now say 32. It is, by the way, string, don't forget it. 5 9 like 5, and we can do same stuff with the multiplication, sorry, multiplication. So let's use it as a multiplication. Where is that? In this case, we use it in that way. We can just say it is e. Okay, so I think it would be better for explaining these things in here. So let's say console.log. We can just put A, B, C, D, and E if it works. Yeah, my age is 27, as you see here. This one. And the 3 room is better. This is second one for us until here. And the third one is 32 plus 5 is 30. What? 30 plus 5? A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, 325. It's not true, but in this case, we're just making concatenation. Okay? So it's for the plus. It will just bring them like this, like 32 plus 5, like this. Okay? I'm sorry, by the way, 300, like this. It will be, yeah, it will just concatenate them, okay? It will not make such operation like 37. It doesn't work like this. But when you use minus or the multiplication or division, then it would work. So in this case, it would be what? Uh, Such a 27, isn't it? Yeah. In this case, it doesn't work like other way. I mean, yeah, for this one, it would be 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10 to 15, and it's 160, I think. Yeah, so as you see, it is 27 for that one and 160 for that one. So just be careful during making this operation, because when you concatenate strings and a number, it would just bring you the concatenating all of this number, not calculation. But when you use minus or multiplication or such a division, let's do the same thing in here for division part. What's happening now? So let's say it is f. In this case, we will use division operation. So, but let's see. So this is string and this is number. So it will just make division. So let's just put here f like this. Yeah. So when you run this, it will give you 6.4, which is the answer of this one. So yeah, as you see, we concatenated strings and a number in here, and we use number like as a prefix and we put string there for the suffix, and we use 32 plus 5 like a concatenating them like a string in this case. So we used also minus, multiplication, and the division for making mathematical operations. So I don't know where you'll need to use that, but it's just useful when you want. I mean, okay, that's it. Thank you so much for the joining.